ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ज्ञानानंदमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारां सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे। ओम ग्राम ग्रीं ग्रौं सह गुरुवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। Namaste, welcome to Nakshatranadi, the Astral Science program. Today let us talk about Jupiter retrograde. So what is Jupiter retrograde? Let us understand what is Jupiter retrograde in the astronomical perspective. Most of the planets go retrograde occasionally. Everybody knows that all the planets revolve around the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then Jupiter and Saturn. And in Indian Vedic astrology, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto is not considered. The reason being, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, two reasons. One, they are not easily visible to the naked eye. They are not easily visible to the naked eye. Secondly, these planets will not be in the kaksha, what we call in the revolution of our solar system. Usually it goes out of the solar system sometimes and comes inside the solar system, in our sun solar system. So that is the reason our Vedic Rishis have not considered the other three dwarf planets which we talk about: Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Planet go retrograde during certain time frame. Whenever from the Sun, when we calculate in a simple methodology, if you want to understand when does planet go retrograde, Rahu, Ketu cannot be considered here because they are not a heavenly object. They are just a point in the cosmic, in our Sun cosmic, Rahu, Ketu. And Earth and Moon cannot be considered retrograde because we follow the path of the Sun and we call it as Surya Marg. And because Moon is associated with the Earth, here also retrogression is not considered. So the other five planets where we consider retrogression are Mercury, then again we have the Venus, then at the same time we have the Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. These are the major planets which gets into the retrograde motion. A very simple calculation where we can understand when the planet retrograde. From the Sun's position, any planet situated in the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Mercury is usually and Venus is usually barred. Usually when we take the larger planets, we will look at 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th placement from the Sun. If any planets comes across in that position, especially the outer planets, which we call the outer planets. There are the inner planet and the outer planet. From the Earth, the inner planets are basically the Venus and Mercury. The outer planet are Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. So whenever from the Sun, when we calculate when these planets comes within the time frame of the 5th house, degree wise 6th house, 7th house, 8th house, the planet gets into retrogression process. So what is retrograde? People have a very different approach to retrograde. People think that the planet which are revolving around the Sun, and especially once we should understand, planet usually revolves around the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction or a counter-clockwise direction. In our solar system, all the planets which go around the Sun will not be in clockwise direction. It will be in the counterclockwise direction. It will be in this counterclockwise direction. The level go clockwise. When we see the clock going in the same direction of the time, these planets go backwards. That is around anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. So today we are talking about this Jupiter retrograde. So Jupiter retrograde means people have a very wrong notion. They say that the planets are going backwards. No, that's the wrong calculation. No planet go backwards. Especially the Mercury or Venus or Mars, Jupiter or Saturn. Whenever there is a say that the planet is retrograde, that doesn't mean the planets are going backwards automatically. No, that is a wrong concept. Basically, most of the planet will have certain speed based on the revolution. When their speed decreases, normal speed decreases, that is the time we can say clearly that the planet has gone retrograde. Once they resume the normal speed, then we tell this planet has come across to the normal motion and it has taken the direct motion. So any planet retrograde, we have to consider it as the planets have become slow in their path. So let us today talk about Jupiter retrogression. Jupiter has gone retrograde from 20th of June till September 18th. Let us consider till September 14th, 18th there is little bit of a difference on the Ayanamsha. Till September 18th, Jupiter will be in retrograde. So what will be the effect on each ascendant? So usually we have to always consider the ascendant. We should never consider the moon sign. Moon sign, people will talk about what is your moon sign telling today, what is your moon sign telling tomorrow. That will give a wrong precedence to our prediction. Always we have to look at our ascendant, in which ascendant we are born in. And through the ascendant we have to consider the planetary transit, how it is affecting our day-to-day life and how is it affecting our other activities. One more point which we have to look at is what Dasha Bhukti, what is the period we are running. If we are not running the Dasha or Bhukti or Antar Bhukti of Jupiter, this retrograde, what I can explain, what I am going to explain about all the 12 ascendant will not be applicable. So this retrograde will be applicable to all the 12 ascendants if your chart says that the current Dasha, Bhukti, Antar Bhukti, what you people are running are under the Jupiter period. This is what should be clearly known. So let me start with the Aries ascendant, Mesha Lagna, which we call Aries ascendant. So these Aries ascendant people, let us look at what is the Aries ascendant looking at. At the job front, there is a good promotion which you can look at. There is a good promotion which is happening. There is a very good promotion which is happening. But there is a problem in terms of the increment of money. There may be a stagnation of salary or income which you will be getting. But in terms of your what we call the designation wise or the job wise, it gets increased. And for business people who are in the Aries ascendant, there is a dip in the income. There is a major dip in the income and there is more expenditure too. And for people, for student, for the student, there is good name and fame, but there is also a percentage where they will not be able to achieve. If they are looking for more marks, the marks get reduced because this retrogression will reduce their expected scoring. If we consider the family life, there will be false ego which creates within the family. The Aries ascendant people, If your Dasha Bhukti is Jupiter, this time is quite cumbersome in terms of the family issues. There will be small ego clashes, small fights which will crop up. Till September, this retrogression will not be over. So till September, so better to be in silence. That is one part. So in terms of health, there is a major setback in health. Predominantly, if you are already suffering from bad health, the bad health gets increased up, and timely treatment is very, very prime at this moment. So once you get into some issue on the health part, immediately suggestion is to get timely treatment, because the retrograde will have a huge impact on the health aspect. In the other areas, there is not much difference. Everything will be smooth. Let me go to the next ascendant, which is the Taurus. Let us look at the Taurus ascendant under the astral signs, Nakshatra Nadi. At the job front, there will be some kind of a demotion, some kind of a snatching away your regular projects, snatching away your regular routine job what you are doing. See, the boss will come and say, don't take care of this project, I will give to somebody. So there is some kind of a demotion which affects the people who are running this Dasha of Guru and Bhukti of Guru for Taurus ascendant. So there will be little bit of setback in terms of job. There might be also little bit of humiliation from the company. So this is a period little bit you have to be careful and be silent. For the business class, let us look at the business class people. For the business class people, there is little bit of delay in the money what you will be earning. There is good inflow of money, but that at the same time the money will not come in the proper time. But there is good business which you can expect from this retrograde, but there is delay in getting back the money. That is the only issue. Then let us look at the student part. What does this Jupiter retrograde will do? For the student part, there is some decremental in terms of the marks they score, but the effort will be very high. For higher learning, they will get a very good chance to learn higher, but at the same time when they take up the score will be, the marks what they expect will be quite lesser. If they are expecting around 80-85%, which I have done, this retrograde motion will bring them at least 5 to 10% lower than their expectation. So in terms of the family front, there will be very good get together, there will be happiness. Till now, if there was any ego clashes which they were facing across, there was some upset in the family front, definitely it is a very wonderful time. So at the health front, there is a very good time this Jupiter retrograde is giving them for the Taurus ascendant. Fantastic time. They can, those who were having health issues, the time has started to recover from the expected disease what they had. So a good time for the health perspective which they are looking at. Little bit bad time on the job front. In rest of the area, the time is apt. It's very good. So let us go to the next ascendant, Gemini. Let us look at what does this Jupiter retrograde do to the Gemini ascendant. So first and foremost, for the people who are in job, there will be huge humiliation, huge insult, huge setback. The boss will not support you, your leader will not support you. The time is quite bad. So there are chances that you might lose your current job. If your Dasha Bhukti is also Jupiter and those Dasha Bhukti are also not much favorable, then the transit is going to affect your job perspective. So there might be, within the company, there might be insults, there might be humiliation which you have to face through. At the business front, there is huge issues which people face. People might rob you of some business prospect, and you might invest in wrong products. So the time is not good for investment. You have to be very, very careful. The time is not at all good for investments. At the same time, if we consider for the students, the time is really bad. They will not be able to concentrate much. There is a lot of obstacles they get across, and there is also a problem in scoring better till September. So those who are having the Jupiter Dasha and Jupiter Mahadasha and Jupiter Bhukti, the main period and the sub period, they will have a setback in terms of scoring better marks. There will be some kind of a major obstacles in getting the education prospect. At the family front also, there will be a lot of fights. There will be a lot of misunderstanding within the family. There will also be a lot of what do you call, some kind of a debate with the elders also. So the time is not good, especially for the Gemini ascendant. Even at the health level, there is a setback. Even at the health level, till now, whatever you had a very robust health, suddenly people will fall ill. Suddenly people in the Gemini ascendant, if they are running with the Guru Dasha and Guru Bhukti, they will get hospitalized. There is a mild chances of accident. There is a mild chances of accident. You have to be quite careful for Gemini ascendant. In the other areas, you look at little bit soothing time is there. In the other areas, whatever, apart from what I have explained here. Let us go to the next Lagna, which is the Cancer Lagna or Cancer Ascendant. This Cancer Ascendant, till now, if you are suffering, till now you had lot of setback, till now you had lot of humiliation or debate or whatever you call, there is some respite which will start, especially in the job front. If your boss was not supporting, now he will start looking at you. If your boss was just ignoring you, he will start helping you or focusing on you. This is a very good time. At the same time, you will have little bit of setback, but at the same time, there is a soothing effect by this retrograde of Jupiter. You can be little bit happy, nothing to worry. At the business front, people, there is increment of business which happens, but at the same time, people will some sort of delay in getting back your money. People will start taking good business from you, but they will not repay in time. That is one setback here. But there is good business which we can expect here for the Cancer Ascendant. For student, you will start interacting more with your teacher. There will be a chance where you will start thinking, I am not able to concentrate much, let me go for tuitions, let me focus and let me get more information from the teacher. So there is a shift from where you had not able to understand, you will get shifted to understanding the subject very well through the teacher. So it's a very good period where you can start understanding the tough subjects which you had a big issue in recent past. So at the same time, at the marriage front or the family front, it is an excellent period. You will have good coordination within the family, no much debate across in the family, no much issues from the family side, everything will be fine. At the health front also, it will be a medium affair in the health aspect, so nothing to worry. Rest all is normal. Let us take up the next ascendant. The next ascendant, Leo ascendant. Let us look at the Leo ascendant. People at the job front, they will enjoy job very well. They will start getting new assignments. They will They can watch for new job. There is also a shift in the job. New opportunities opens up. New increment also opens up. There is increase in earning, increase in your salary, increase in all sorts, especially in the job front. Job wise, excellent, nothing to worry. Those who are running Jupiter period, main period and the sub period. The Jupiter retrograde for Leo ascendant, job will be too good. Even at the business class people, till now you had a good business, but there is increment in your income. There is a big increment in your business. You will be very happy. This retrograde motion will bring in more income for the business class also. Nothing to worry. So this will be there till September 18th. So if you are running under the main period of Jupiter and sub period of Jupiter, you can consider these predictions for the Leo ascendant people. So at the family front, there is a huge issue in the family front. Lot of fights, lot of some kind of a domestic violence might erupt. So better is to be silent. Better is to withdraw. If you have a nature of that, better is to withdraw, not to get into any family feuds which you come across. So family wise, so it's a setback period. So to be it should be considered that you have to be calm, silence. Otherwise, at the family front, there is a huge debate, huge fights which crops up. So that has to be taken care. At the student level, there is little bit of student going astray, not able to concentrate on the education and focus more on extracurricular activities like playing, watching movies. So their concentration gets reduced. The time is not good for the students, especially for Leo ascendant. It's very not a good time. If you people are running the Jupiter main period and Jupiter sub period, the transit is giving you a negative impact in terms of non-focus on the subject. So this has to be taken care. So more interest will be to watch a movie, to play, to concentrate much on your self gratification, sense gratification, which we can call across. So in the health sector, there is little bit of small disease which crops up, which can be managed, not a major issue in terms of health. So in the other areas, there is normal effect which the Jupiter brings in through this retrograde motion. Let us go to the next ascendant, which is Virgo. Let us look at the Virgo ascendant. What is the effect? People who are in the job sector will have some kind of a setback. The company might say you to leave the job. The company might say take a salary cut. The company might say that we will not be able to pay for next 2 months. So these kind of information the Virgo ascendant people will come across. So there might be a loss of job. You have to look out for one more job. There might be some kind of a non-focus, or your boss might not be able to help you. Your leader, whoever it might be, your immediate boss will not be able to help you in this crisis situation. So people who are in the job sector will have a crisis situation to get retained in the job, or at least to get the payment. So both ways it's a setback to you people. So people who are in the business class, there will be a good turnover which you will make, but it will all be in credit. So you have to give more credit, and you will not be able to get back your money in the time required. So there will be a cash crunch. So you have to be very careful. There will be a strong cash crunch. At the student level, there is a good change. So your intelligence level increases. You will be able to concentrate more on the studies. Till now you had some kind of a deviation, and there was some setback in terms of learning, in terms of scoring. Now the time has changed. This retrograde motion for Virgo ascendant students will be a very favorable time. When it comes to the health part, health is fantastic. The health which you were suffering earlier, there is a good change. There is a sudden change in terms of health. You will become more immune. So not much to worry on the health factor. It will be fantastic. So rest all, there is a good and normal period which I can say across. So let me go to the next ascendant, Libra. Let us look at what is the Libra ascendant people experience with this Jupiter transit through the retrogradation transit. So at the job front, let us look at the job front. People who had a issue in terms of job, there is some kind of a respite now. Good respite, nothing to worry. Fantastic. But the respite is not so strong, but there is some kind of a breathing period in terms of job. All this time, if you people would have suffered in terms of getting job or in the job issues or getting salary in time, or there is an increment, some kind of a relief people will be getting across. It's a moderate time. I cannot say that it's an excellent time. It's a moderate time. So let us look at the business class people. So business class people, money starts to flow. People who had lot of debt, they'll start slowly clearing. If the product were given on credit, people will start paying across to you. This retrograde will help you to some extent, not to a large extent. Not to a large extent. Your main period should be under the influence of Jupiter, and the sub period should be under the influence of Jupiter. Then only this retrograde transit effect and the prediction what I am making will always correlate. Those people who are not having the same period, main period and sub period, not need to worry about these predictions. So at the same time, let us look at the student part. Wonderful time. They will increase their learning capacity. There is increment in terms of the scoring capability. You can expect more marks to flow in, and very good period for the students. If your by main period and sub period you are running with Jupiter, because we are talking about the Jupiter transit on the retrograde motion. So at the health front, at the family front, there is loss of love, lot of understanding, loss of understanding, LOSS, loss of understanding. So there is some kind of a silence within the family. There is no talk, there is no love, there is no interaction at all. You will find something like a very gloomy picture in your home front. So you have to undergo this and not get into any fights. So the period at the family front is not so great to enjoy. At the health front, very problematic situation arises. There is sudden burst of disease or sudden hospitalization. If you are having some kind of health issue, it explodes. Not a very good period. There is chances of accident, and you people should be very, very careful. Not a good period at all. In the other areas of life, not much to worry. It will be in a very medium scenario. So let me go for a break, and the balance ascendant, let us reconsider after the break. Okay, welcome back after a small break. We were discussing and we were talking about Jupiter retrogradation. So for what all ascendant, how is the effect? Let us continue with it and let us go to the next ascendant, Scorpio ascendant. How is the Scorpio ascendant? Basically, people at the job front, there will be lot of effort they have to put across in the job. Huge effort they have to put. There is some kind of a bullying from the job, from the boss, not able to concentrate in the job. There will be a lot of pressure which you have to take up, and there is huge effort you have to put across to achieve the targets or achieve the timeline or achieve the deadline given by the company. So huge effort has to be put across and you cannot get away from that. That is for the first point. In terms of the other aspect in job, it's cool. For the business class, there is some kind of a increment in terms of the percentage in business. People always who are in the business class look at the margin on the business what they do. And this period, this retrograde is definitely helping for Scorpio ascendant who are in business, where if your main period and the sub period are under the influence of Jupiter, definitely you can expect an increment in terms of the margins, in terms of the margin. It's a very good, fantastic period. And in terms of the students who are studying, there is a huge setback. There is a huge setback. Sudden, unexpected crash in the result. Their expectation would be, I will be scoring very well. There is sudden crash in the expected result in terms of scoring, in terms of percentage. There is deviation in terms of focus on the subject. They'll start withdrawing on the study. They'll be focusing some other areas, and this will result in lower grades. So there is a huge issue till September. If your Dasha Bhukti is Jupiter, Scorpio ascendant students will have to look at focusing more, avoiding deviation, and focus more on studies, or there is a huge setback in terms of the grade or in terms of the achievement. Coming on the family front, there is a lot of discussion which happens. There is a lot of good debate which happens within the family, lot of talk, enjoyment, more talk, more talk, more talk. There will be more get together and talking across which happens. It's a good period at the family front. If you look at the health, there is little bit of setback, not a major one, but which can be manageable. So very good period in terms of other areas, not to worry across. So only issue, more work, more effort. For the students, there is a big setback. For the businessmen, increase in the margins. For the health, normal period, nothing to worry. In rest all, it's a medium result. Let us go to the next ascendant, Sagittarius ascendant. Let us go to the next ascendant, which is the Sagittarius ascendant. People who are in the Sagittarius ascendant, especially those who are in the working class, in the job, very good inflow of funds, very good time, very, very good time. In the job, there might be increase, there might be sudden inflow of funds, unexpected money will flow through in all the directions. I am not only pinpointing only at the job front. There might be sudden gifts which comes across, or from the family front also you can expect some good money flow. So there is some kind of a 360-degree surrounding, money starts flowing to you. Save the money. Good period. At the business front, there also, those who are in the business class, there is huge flow of funds you can expect if your main planetary period which is running should be around Jupiter, and the sub period should be Jupiter. Then this retrograde of Jupiter will add to that combination. Otherwise, if your Dasha or Bhukti, what we call, if your main period and sub period is not under Jupiter, you will never experience whatever I am telling across. So for Sagittarius, a very good time. Even in terms of property, you will start earning. Even if you are looking at sale of property also, you will earn a lot. So very good time. For the student fraternity, there is a good time for study. They will start putting good marks on their mark sheet. There is upgradation in terms of their scoring. Very good time for the student. At the family front, fantastic period. There is lot of get together you people make, lot of fun, more family outing or more family celebration will be very, very high. Very good period. At the health front, not major issue, nothing to worry about it. So you can just be cool. Everything is fine. Not a major setback. Everything is good. For Sagittarius Lagna, the period is apt and you can enjoy the retrograde period. If your main period and sub period is Jupiter, Jupiter Dasha or Bhukti, which we call across, it's a very golden period. Let us go to Capricorn Ascendant. Capricorn Ascendant. There is huge spend on the self. There is huge spend, uncontrollable self spending on the self. This has to be avoided, because over the next consecutive months you will have a big setback in finding your deposits. So always control on your expenses. For your self expenses is the precaution given, is the caution and precaution given. There is lot of spend, uncontrollable spend, which this retrograde gives. At the same time, the inflow of funds also will be having a setback. And there is also a issue, those who are selling on the property front, sometimes the time will be very inevitable that you have to sell the property. During those time, you will sell at a very low cost. After this retrograde motion, you will start repenting. Somebody will come and say that I should have, we will give you for more price. Why did you sell at this price? So there is some kind of a repenting which happens if there is sale of property or vehicle, whatever it might be, land, property, building, whatever it might be. The time is not at all good. But at the same time, there will be also a crash crunch which will come across, and you will be forced to do some kind of a selling. Both way, there is a setback. Family front, there will be a lot of ego which will come across within the family or between the husband and wife. Through ego, there will be some kind of a debate on the financial part. Lot of issues, insults, fights, ego, obstruction, everything will come across in the family front. Not a good period at all for the Capricorn Ascendant by this Jupiter retrograde. At the student level, there will be more effort which has to be put across to get the required sail throwing in the marks or the mark scoring. And there will also be a setback in terms of the some subjects. It might get into a surprising period, not a good period also for the student fraternity, those who are in the Capricorn Ascendant. There will be a hospitalization to few people in terms of the health aspect, that has to be taken care. There will be a huge issue. There might be little bit of accident and hospitalization, or if you people are suffering from some kind of a health issue, suddenly there will be an increment in that health issue and you will get hospitalized. Even in that front also, there is huge financial spend. So all the way, financial crunch, financial spend, wrong selling or lesser selling, what we can call, is being seen. Even in the student front, it is not a favorable time. In other areas, there is some medium kind of a issue which you can look at across, not an issue. Okay, this is about the Capricorn ascendant. Let us go to the Aquarius ascendant. How is it? Here also, for the job people, there will be huge time frame you have to work across. You have to put in more working hours to the company. So there will be more pressure to work across. So there is no relaxing time for Aquarius ascendant. Job will be very hectic, huge hectic. There is also a huge expenditure you will incur. There is also a possibility of transfer which you will not be able to, which you will not be expecting. Suddenly it comes out of nowhere and you are bound to go there and work for it. At the business class front, there is huge expenditure, a wrong investment, giving away or putting across money to a wrong guy, expecting some business, or giving away your product, expecting that he might give good returns and pay back money soon. There will be a huge setback in terms of the job front. Your credit might go up, which is receivable, or there might be a debt which goes up. Double-edged sword, not a good time. So in terms of the student fraternity, there is more effort you have to put across. Your learning hours will be increased. Just people say about the burning the midnight oil, that gets increased. So but you can get through, that's not a problem. Putting more effort will definitely help you out in this student level, not to worry about it. But at the health front, again, for Aquarius ascendant, sudden hospitalization, more expenditure on the health front, unexpected money flow for the health front, long-term hospitalization is been seen here for the transit, especially on the retrograde motion. In the rest all, in the other aspect, not much of issue, everything is fine. Let us go to the last ascendant, which is the Pisces ascendant. Let us look at what is the retrograde Jupiter will have its effect on the Pisces ascendant. At the job front, lot of profit you earn across, lot of credentials you earn across, lot of appreciation you earn across. It's a very good period. This Jupiter main period and this Jupiter sub period should be running. At the same time, this retrogradation will definitely is helping you in a very big way for the job front. At the business front, there is huge inflow of money. There is also a name and fame at the business class people. No need to worry, there is good inflow which you can expect. There is little bit of losses, but at the same time the profits will be on the higher side. Fantastic time. At the student level, good time. People who are expecting to go abroad for studies, it's a fantastic time. People who are looking at writing for the NEET or the CET, they can expect very good result if it is within September, and if your Dasha Bhukti or the main period or sub period will be at the Jupiter hold. So at the family front, fantastic time, enjoyment time, profitable time. Most of the issues at the family has sorted out. More the expenditure has reduced by the retrograde motion now from now on till September. Good enjoyment. Coming at the health aspect, health is also those who are suffering from health issue, those who are hospitalized. The Pisces ascendant people will start recovering. there is good result you people will expect in the health sector. Those who are already in good health, their immunity system, the immune system will be still robust and will enjoy a healthy living. In all the other areas, there is good prospect, and the Pisces ascendant retrograde is quite good. And for also the Pisces ascendant, there is some kind of a realization on the spiritual level. The fantastic time between this June 20th to September, fantastic time on the spiritual realm, which I can call it across. This was about the 12 ascendant Jupiter retrograde prediction, and as I was always telling, please you have to consider your main period or sub period should always be Jupiter. Otherwise, whatever prediction we are told, don't get inside that if there is some issue for your ascendant, don't think otherwise that I might also face it. Nothing. Jupiter retrograde, fantastic. So this Jupiter retrograde, I would also emphasis on the aspect on the national front tomorrow. What is the effect which is going to happen? What kind of issues we might face financially? What are the decisions? Because this is a major planet retrograde which will be lasting for 120 days approximately. So those who are running this period, those who have a bad phase where I have talked for few of the ascendant, I would like to give a very small piece of suggestion. Those who are running the main period and sub period of Jupiter, and if your ascendant is showing negativity based on my prediction, a simple remedy can be followed. Just apply saffron, you might be knowing that saffron, to your forehead as a tilak. This will reduce the maleficency of the Jupiter retrogression. This will reduce the maleficency of the Jupiter retrogression. Nothing to worry about it. Then on the national front, let me talk about it tomorrow. So August 1st we are having our first Nakshatra Nadi courses. Those who are interested, kindly register. There will be 2 batches. So morning 10 to 12 and evening 7 to 9. Those who are very new to astrology, this is the right institute to learn astrology, and also I would help you out in terms of your prediction within 15 days. No need to worry. Don't have a small iota that can we learn in 15 days. No, don't have a small iota also. I will guarantee you that you will understand astrology very well, and it will all be taught in a very phased manner from the basics. What is all required to understand for that particular, I will provide you a lot of videos, support with videos, lot of PDF will be supported. At the same time, I will also be supporting through my voice message. There will be a live class, live session which will be running. After the everyday's live session, whatever the day which we have come across, I will be giving across through PDF, through videos, through my voice message. It will be a wonderful class for 15 days. We are also providing an app along with that. The app will also help you to predict well, not only about yourself, also about your family. So those who are interested in astrology, to learn astrology and look forward to look at what are the challenges you get in life and how we can avoid it or how we can maneuver it, Nakshatra Nadi definitely helps. So here there are no dosha which I'll be telling across. It will be only a good time and a bad time. How to reduce your bad time, how to enhance your good time, that will all be in Nakshatra Nadi. More than 12,000 students have learnt this worldwide. So those who are new to this channel or new to this program, I have my YouTube Nakshatra Nadi. You can subscribe Nakshatra Nadi. Nakshatra Nadi is my YouTube. You can see all the older episodes which I have already done. Okay, all the best. Let the Jupiter planet give you health, wealth and happiness to everybody. And the time's up. So I'll take leave. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.
Putram Veeram Mahavishnu Jwalantam Sarvatomukham Nrisimham Bhishणam Bhadram Mrityurmit